Did you know? The micro end mills and CNC cutting tools share the same working principle as dental drills in clinics. Both achieve material removal through high-speed rotation and precise cutting. However, CNC tools boast higher precision. Dental drills have an accuracy of approximately 0.1 millimeters, while high-end CNC tools can reach 0.001 millimeters. Moreover, dental drill bits need to be replaced frequently to prevent infections, whereas CNC tools rely on their durability for performance. They can be considered the industrial version of super dental.